Welcome to Carz Trends, where innovation meets adrenaline. Today, we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the Toyota Hilux, a truck that isn't just a statement of rugged performance, but a symbol of indestructible engineering that has earned the trust of drivers around the world. Buckle up, this ride is going to be powerful. The Toyota Hilux isn't just an evolution, it's a legacy redefined. Rooted in a formidable heritage of reliability and performance, the latest Hilux has been meticulously refined to take on the toughest terrains and the most demanding jobs. Whether it's hauling gear, navigating off-road trails, or simply dominating your daily commute, the Hilux is built to perform. Now engineered to better suit U.S. roads and buyer expectations, it emerges as a legitimate contender in the midsize pickup segment. From a design perspective, the Hilux wears its strength with pride. Bold contours and an aggressive front grille make an unapologetic first impression. Flanked by LED headlights and muscular wheel arches, the truck announces its arrival with authority. The lifted suspension and all-terrain tires are not just aesthetic touches, they're functional features built for off-road dominance. In a market saturated with pickups that blend in, the Hilux stands tall with a look that's both modern and purpose-driven. Step inside, and the story continues. The cabin is a fusion of practicality and modern comfort. Durable materials line the interior to withstand the rigors of daily work, while refined elements like contrast stitching, soft-touch surfaces, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel cater to more luxurious expectations. An intuitive infotainment system anchors the center console, complete with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation, ensuring that wherever your journey leads, you're connected and in control. But it's under the hood where the Hilux shows its true DNA. The US spec Hilux is expected to come with a turbocharged 2.8-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, delivering around 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Hilux balances power and fuel efficiency seamlessly. The torque delivery is immediate and strong, making towing and hauling effortless. Whether it's weekend adventures or worksite demands, this powertrain has your back. Handling and suspension have also seen key upgrades. The rear leaf spring setup is complemented by revised dampers for a more stable ride both on and off the road. Off-road warriors will appreciate the locking rear differential, hill descent control, and selectable 4WD system that adapts to any terrain. From rocky paths to deep mud, the Hilux tackles it all with grace and grit. Fuel economy is another area where the Hilux holds its own. The diesel variant offers an estimated 24 to 27 miles per gallon, excellent for a vehicle in this category. This balance of performance and efficiency makes it an ideal choice for drivers who demand capability without constantly refueling. Let's talk ownership in the US. Starting with financing, based on current interest rates, buyers with excellent credit, 750 and above, can secure auto loans at around 4% APR. With an expected starting price around $30,000 for base models and up to $45,000 for top trims, monthly payments typically range from $550 to $750 depending on down payment and loan term. Toyota's own financing programs often offer loyalty and promotional rates, giving buyers more flexibility. Insurance costs vary by state, but for a midsize pickup like the Hilux, expect annual premiums between $1,300 and $1,800 for full coverage. Drivers in metro areas or high-traffic states like California and New York may pay more, while rural drivers in states like Texas or Montana may enjoy lower rates. Insurers like State Farm, Allstate, and Progressive offer competitive quotes, especially when bundled with home or business insurance. Maintenance on the Hilux is minimal and affordable, a hallmark of Toyota engineering. Oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks average around $400 to $600 annually. Toyota's extended service plans and widespread dealership network make upkeep convenient and accessible nationwide. Even more importantly, the Hilux's legendary reliability means fewer unexpected repairs and long-term peace of mind. Depreciation is relatively modest for the Hilux. Thanks to strong resale value, particularly in the used truck market, Hilux models retain up to 65 to 70% of their value after 3 years. Limited trims, diesel variants, and well-maintained examples often see even better figures. In fact, the Hilux is one of the few trucks globally recognized for appreciating value in certain off-road and collector communities. Technology in the Hilux supports both safety and entertainment. Standard features include lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors. This makes the Hilux not just tough, but smart, ensuring your family and cargo are secure on every journey. Hybrid options for the Hilux are also on the horizon. Toyota's strategy to electrify its global fleet includes a potential hybrid Hilux variant, which would blend fuel efficiency with torque-heavy performance. While details are still emerging, expect this future model to include regenerative braking, electric-assisted torque boosts, and lower emissions, ideal for environmentally conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on capability. Compared to U.S. market rivals like the Ford Ranger and Chevrolet Colorado, the Hilux excels in reliability, off-road prowess, and long-term cost of ownership. While American rivals often lean on comfort or brute horsepower, the Hilux blends both worlds with a precision that few can match. For buyers valuing utility, dependability, and global reputation, the Hilux makes a compelling case. Owning a Hilux isn't just about transportation, it's about joining a tribe. Enthusiasts across the U.S. are rallying around the model's legendary status, organizing off-road events, Toyota club meets, and modification expos. From rooftop tents to snorkels and winches, aftermarket support is robust and growing. This community element adds depth to ownership, turning every drive into a shared adventure. Resale value is also a key strength. Even high-mileage Hilux units fetch impressive sums at auctions and private sales. Toyota's stellar reputation for durability plays a significant role here, making the Hilux a smart buy for those looking at long-term equity. To wrap things up, the Toyota Hilux is no longer just a global hero, it's a serious option for U.S. drivers who demand more from their truck. With bold styling, formidable power, advanced tech, and proven reliability, it's a mid-size pickup that delivers beyond expectations. Thanks for riding with Carz Trends. If you found our deep dive into the Toyota Hilux insightful, give us a like and subscribe for weekly content covering the latest in global and U.S. automotive trends. Got questions about Hilux ownership, costs, or mods? Drop a comment, we're here to help. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your adventures unstoppable.